Guys, today is another day. So, let's check them out. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Guys, I will tell you that we are in Texas. And, this weather can be really harsh on these type of plants. But look at that. It's pretty cool, right? Moving on. So yeah, let's check this one out. So yeah, check it out. Look at all this new growth on here, guys. You got leaves popping out of the top here. We have a little guy right there. He's looking at me. So yeah, guys, a lot of new growth here, and yeah. I mean, for those of you guys who know about the Texas weather, you know it's really hot here, and you know these kind of plants would be, man, they would be roasted. But you know, last year when we got this one, you know, it was really small, and it's been small the entire time. But you know, right after we did this, guys, which if you want one of these, contact me in the messages. We'll work it out. And I'm going to be experimenting with some new types just to kind of see if you guys like them. I'm going to be doing some experiments. I mean, we're all here to experiment, and you know, this is our lab, you know. Now, guys, I did have some sort of accident here on our first crepe myrtle. I know you can go back and look at the information, and you can see that it was, you know, it was tall. I had it up to like here, but I think someone hit it with a weed whacker, which is the, you know, the case with so many plants. But yeah. So this is where we're at right now, and now this particular sprout that you see here, which is not above the rim yet, this particular one that you see here was that small one that was growing along the side. So when that one, when the main one was chopped off mysteriously, this one right here was growing, but it was about yay big. You guys saw it. You can go back and look at the film. But now look where it is. Look where it is, man. So, is it working? Moving on. Look at this guy. He's just on it. Look at that. Now, if you plant any type of crop, on a small scale, or because I just have a couple of plants, but let's just say if you were in Colorado, for instance. Just think of what this could do for you. Coming to our last one, guys. Check them out. Remember, we had all that new growth. Remember, everything was burnt up right here. Well, I mean, it's still burnt up, but there's new growth. From the ashes, there is fire. Boom. Yeah. So we love to see that. We really, really, really love to see that. All right. So yeah, guys, I am really happy that you spent some time with me today, taking a little update. And I do want you guys to go ahead and comment if you want one. I'll be able to help you out here with one of these guys. And go back and look at all my old videos, check them out, and see if you're convinced. I'm convinced. And from the bottom of my heart, I thank you guys for stopping by. I'm gonna leave you with this.